Can statins prevent brain stroke? Can a cholesterol-lowering medicine help prevent brain stroke, or can it be a potential medicine to even help with stroke patients? Well, there are some studies that indicate how statins can be beneficial for stroke patients, and on the other hand, some studies suggest the opposite. Well, in this video, we will discuss the use of statins in stroke recovery. Hello, namaste to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and you are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can obtain so much detailed scientific knowledge on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise, and safe and effective natural and holistic treatments of several neurological problems. Okay. We will discuss how cholesterol affects stroke recovery and how a cholesterol lowering medicine can be a boon for your stroke recovery. Well, the important question is, can statins help prevent both types of stroke, ischemic and hemorrhagic stroke? So, let's understand everything in detail with some scientific research on reducing cholesterol and preventing stroke. See, ischemic stroke is more prevalent worldwide. There are approximately 69.9 million people living with ischemic stroke. So, I hope now you understand how common this is among the general population. Now, let's understand what statins are and how they help reduce cholesterol, which is a major risk factor in occurrence of stroke. Statins inhibit HMG-CoA reductase, the enzyme responsible for producing cholesterol in the liver. It has been seen to reduce cholesterol by 30 to 60%, depending on the dose and duration. Statins have not only cholesterol reducing effects, but also help stabilize plaques and reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Well, statin medicines like atorvastatin, rosuvastatin and simvastatin have shown potential neuroprotective properties and may influence brain health, including the risk of dementia and cognitive decline. However, there is limited evidence that focuses on benefits of statins in stroke recovery. Not the benefits, but statin may also have some side effects. It's not the thing that statins will resolve or prevent stroke, but they also have some side effects. Well, let's first understand what science tells us about statins. Well, the meta-analysis of 18 randomized controlled trials revealed that statins reduce the overall incidence of stroke than placebo, with an odds ratio of 0.80. One more study reported a 28% reduction in fatal and non-fatal cerebrovascular events, stroke and transient ischemic attack among patients with coronary heart disease treated with simvastatin. In one more study, a large meta-analysis of 121,000 participants confirms statins reduce all-cause mortality and non-hemorrhagic stroke with a relative risk of 0.84. It's not only the benefits again, statins may also have some side effects. Statins are not recommended for long-term use. They are effective only as long as you take them. Once you stop, LDL will rise again. They may cause muscle damage, myopathy, rhabdomyolysis, liver damage, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. They may also cause some neurological problems like dementia and confusion. I know these side effects may be severe, but the good thing is that stroke can be treated safely and effectively with Bharat Homeopathic medicines, which have great efficacy and no side effects. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of paralysis and stroke patients worldwide with our customized and personalized treatment. Well, the medicines are not like a statin pills or blood thinners. They are given in small globules dissolved in alcohol-based medicine which have no side effects. Now, stroke is not a major issue. Bharat Homeopathy is here to help you recover from this condition naturally and effectively. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related interesting videos. Thanks.